Guys, this is Jacob from Love to Hunt. We got these bars of soap. One is Wood Barrel Bourbon, and it's Dr. Sasquatch. And this is what it looks like. It's 5-ounce bars, and it's pretty thick. But we got them from Walmart, like $3, and this one, in my opinion, smells really good. This one is Rainforest Rapids. It's a light grit, and they're all natural. And this one's medium grit, all natural. And they're Eucalyptus. And that's what made
the wood bourbon. The wood barrel bourbon is Jimmy Red Corn.
Yeah, and this one is
Eucalyptus.
Yeah. Scrub yourself.
Lather it up.
Lather it up.
Scrub yourself and rinse and repeat.
Yep. Catch in the wild.
My opinion, this one smells much better.
They're between. If y'all go and get some, they're like $3. If y'all have some, tell me your opinions in the comment. So, yeah, catch you on the next one.